Dahle 569 guillotine is a professional A2 machine that gives you a cutting length of 700 millimeters. It cuts a wide range of materials, such as paper, cardboard, films or foils, up to 3.5 millimeters thick. This is the equivalent of 30 to 35 sheets of paper. While cutting, the sturdy metal table with non-slip rubber feet guarantees stability. The high-quality ground upper and lower blade in Solingen cutlery steel ensures a precision cut and long-lasting cutting quality. The sturdy, solid steel blade holder guides the screw-mounted upper blade with absolute precision for particularly accurate cutting results. If necessary, the blade can be replaced and sharpened. Various format lines allow you to position cutting stock quickly and accurately at all times. 2 scale bars marked in millimeters are guaranteed to give you an exact 90-degree cut. The metal backstop makes easy work of aligning the cutting stock and can be used on both scale bars. Locking into position, the D-bar clamp keeps the cutting stock perfectly in place. A sturdy handle with guard ensures working safety. The tried and tested automatic safety guard provides optimum protection. The front stop can be used for cutting strips of equal width and pulls out to a distance of 210 millimeters. This model is also available with the practical 619 stand for optimum working height. This guillotine is guaranteed for 5 years.